What's up everybody, it's Friends Freezy here. Today I'm going to show you another update of my PC setup. It's time to upgrade something to take our gaming session to the next level. If you have seen my PC building video before, you should know that I only got a 75Hz monitor which hindered my gaming experience a lot. If you haven't, feel free to check it out as well, link in the description below. We're going to finish the upgrade with a series of 3 videos. Subscribe now so that you won't miss it. Long story short, we're going to check out the VIVO dual monitor stand today. I limited my budget to the whole upgrade to be $250 US, so I bought this used from Amazon warehouse to cut some cost. First, we got the pole, the swivel arm, the clamp, the brace, 2 VISA plates, grommet base plate, some accessories, bolts and screws, the manual, and a set of Allen keys. Alright, let's check out the quality of the swivel arm. As you can see that the arms are sturdy, you have to use quite some force to move the joints. I would say it is decent as you do not want the monitor swinging on a stand while using it. But there's one joints that are too tight that I can barely move. Luckily, you can loosen it a bit by using the included Allen key. Move on to the assembly. It is very easy to put them together, very self-explanatory. You can choose grommet install, but I've opted for the desk clamp instead. All you have to do is screw them together. First, install the clamp brace to the pole using 3 M5 14 bolts. Tighten it with the smallest Allen key. Second, attach soft pads to the clamp brace. Then, connect the brace with the clamp with 2 M8 12 bolts. Tighten it with the middle-sized Allen key. Before installing the swivel arm, put the round wire clip to the pole. Also attach the other 4 wire clips to each sections of the arms. These come really handy for the cable management. Now it's time to install the swivel arm. Put it to your preferred height and fasten the bolt with the fat Allen key. Hey, there you go. The last thing to do is to install the whole stand according to the thickness of the desktop. To conclude, it's a solid product that does the job really well. With this price point, I can't complain much. The sturdy construction and the easiness of assembly speak for itself. The only downside is that it does not provide vertical tilt. I encourage you guys to buy like new products to reduce environmental impact. They usually come with slight signs of usage, but functions perfectly. In this case, it's a 2 bird 1 stone. Spoiler alert, I'm going to attach my old monitor, which is without the VISA mount, and my new 24-inch gaming monitor. That's it for today. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!